A very good morning, students. We start a fresh topic of grammar, adverbs and adverbials. Fine. So, firstly, we need to know what is the role play of the word called adverb. Verbs are the words which help us in telling about the action which is taking place. And the words which describe the quality of the action which is taking place are called adverbs. Okay, she ran fast. How did she run? Run is over here a verb. Now the word fast is describing the action run. So fast over here is an adverb. So to summarize, I would say adverbs are those words which qualify a verb, that is action word. They tell us how the action is happening. They tell us when the action is happening, how many times the action is happening, when is it happening, where is it happening also. So these many pieces of information are given by the adverbs. Now let's dig into it. Majoritively, you will see that the adverbs are ending with ly. Majoritively, you can say yes, like the words have been given over here beautifully, carefully, gently, carelessly. All these words end with ly, and the words ending with ly majoritively are adverbs. But I cannot teach you like a layman over here. Most of the words do not end, some words don't end with ly, but still they are adverbs. Now I'll be teaching you each part of it, and I will frame a question word over here for you to understand what does this particular adverb do. Like the first one has been mentioned over here, adverb of degree. Now underline this in your workbook as well. Okay, adverb of degree tells us intensity of the action. Intensity of the action. So the question word it will answer is how intense was the action. So the different variety of adverbs, I am picking up first one, adverb of degree. So the question word it will answer is how intense was the action. She's extremely happy. Extremely means बहुत ज़्यादा. So what was the intensity of being happy? Extreme. So this word over here describes the intensity of somebody being happy. So this is an adverb of degree. It's an adverb of degree. It was too late to go home. How late was it? What was the intensity of being late? Too late. I was very tired. How tired were you? Very tired. So the word very also tells you what is the intensity of you being tired. So that those kind of words are adverbs of intensity or adverbs of degree. Let's go with the next one. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell you where the action is taking place. Where is the action taking place? You can play outside when it stops raining. Where will you go and play? Outside. This is the word which is indicating where the action is taking place. That is why it is called an adverb of place. Go and sit inside the car. Where, dear? Inside the car. So the word inside also tells us that that is an adverb of place. So where the action is taking place, that the answer would be given by the adverb of place. I looked everywhere for the file. Where did you look? You looked everywhere. So the word everywhere is again an adverb of place. Next comes adverbs of time. The question word which will be answered by this word is when. When did the action take place? Like if I say, I met her yesterday. When did you meet her? Yesterday. The question word when has been answered by the word yesterday. So yesterday is the adverb of time. I met her. I will be meeting her today. When will you be meeting her? Today. Okay. All these words tell us that these actions, when did they take place, then they will be adverbs of time. Okay, next comes adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency will answer the question word, how many times did the action take place? How many times did the action take place? I never ever go to visit my aunt. Do you go? How many times do you go? You never go. The word never over here tells you adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency, how many times did you go? You never went only. 0 number of time. Okay? I never scribble in a library book. It has been given over here. I seldom go to the temple. I usually go for a walk in the evenings. So these words which are helping you in telling how many times the action is taking place. I met her twice. How many times did you meet her, dear? Twice. These words indicate how many times the action has taken place. So that is the adverb of frequency. So in your workbook, there were these 4 categories of adverbs: degree, place, time, frequency. Degree, how intense was the action? Place, where the action took place? Time, when did the action take place? Frequency, how many times did the action take place? That's the introduction of your adverbs chapter. Now let's dig into the exercise over here. Now we have been given an adverb to place in the sentence at the back of the sentence in a bracket. Fine? Like the first example says, he did well in the examination. I want you to insert over here fairly. Okay? Now how did he do the examination? He did fairly well in the examination. Okay? Well was how he did it, and he did fairly well. Now comes hardly. She spoke so quietly. मतलब इतनी धीरे बोला that we could hardly hear her. Hardly will come over here. You rewrite the sentence. I am writing only the insertion over there. We visited her while in Delhi. We frequently visited her while in Delhi. Nothing happens by chance. Nothing ever happens by chance. We see ourselves as others see us. We seldom see ourselves as others see us. He makes silly mistakes. He sometimes makes silly mistakes. He makes silly mistakes sometimes is also okay with me. I have often told her many a time. Often, the word meaning of word often is many a time. I have often told her to write neatly. 3 or 4 boys were late. Only 3 or 4 boys were late. That's how you need to solve it. You rewrite the entire sentence in your workbook. Now, this is an easier part of it. This will appear same way as it has been given over here in your exam, and you have to write the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer over there. Like, these are the words which are in italicized phrases. Like the style of writing over here is in italics. It's been given in italics over here. So the second one, the words in italics are in a few words. Now what will you pick up over here to say in a few words? So the answer is briefly. I will tell you the story briefly. So your answer, this will get cancelled, dear. All the words which are in italics will get cancelled, and you will write briefly over there, and your answer will sound like this. I will tell you the story briefly. Second one, he is without doubt. So the answer would be undoubtedly. He resigned without being compelled by anyone, voluntarily. He resigned voluntarily. He was elected without any differing. Nobody had any difference of opinions over here. He was elected unanimously. The pronunciation of this word. This word is unanimously. So that's the answer of the fifth one. He acted in an instant. He acted instantaneously. He acted instantaneously. These two events took place at the same time. At the same time, the adverb is simultaneously. The pronunciation is simultaneously. It rained without stopping for 3 days. It rained continually for 3 days. Plants grow without special cultivation in such a good climate. So the answer would be naturally. The answer would be naturally. So you have to cancel the words which have been underlined and write whatever I am saying. He was cross-examined by spoken words. By spoken words is orally. Fine. So that's the end of it. Now you have been given the adverb of degree over here, very. Now the word very has been used over here also. In print everywhere very has been used. Now you've been told to use, instead of very, you can use these words also. Absolutely, completely, entirely, extremely, fairly, fully, greatly. These many words have been given to you. Now you've been told over here, replace these words, the very word, with any word which has been given over there, but it should match, okay? It should be making sense. Remember that it should make sense. After a hard day's labor, the workers were very exhausted. I would say extremely exhausted. Now the word extremely has been given in print at the back. Now you decide which words will suit over here, and I will give you the answer script later. Do this much. So we have finished the adverbs and adverbials. Okay. So I will be taking small mock tests over here, dear, for you to get acquainted with the style of exams which will be coming up. Thank you.